Hey guys, welcome to Alley Cat's Corner. This is going to be a little bit different video that I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how to lockpick, but in this video I am going to show you the basic tools that I use in order to pick locks, and I may demonstrate these little safety locks or something. Good training tool. It really helps you understand the pins that go up and down in the process of, picking a lock until you do it with your ears. Your two main tools that you're going to use is a tension wrench and usually just a simple pick. That's the two main tools. Going into these other ones, I have various different tension wrenches, one for a car door, and depending on the size of the lock, how tiny it is, how big the hole is in the keyway, you got different tension wrenches. This is like a universal toilet paper roll, opener, paper towel roll like you see in public bathrooms. Okay, and anyway, you got your basic picks here. And then you have your zip picks, which you just basically stick it in there and you zip it back and forth and it unlocks it. These are an example of a zip wrench, or a zip pick, sorry. Then you have the wavy pick. It's like a wafer pick. And these are all my two-sided picks for car doors and such. So the best thing for car door is this one and this one. They're double-sided. Otherwise, you got to pick each side as you turn. But that's basically it for the locks. I got the keys locked in here, but to show you an example, I'm going to take the first basic one that I did, and you're going to stick it in, and usually always go clockwise. You only put a little amount of tension on there, but first I'm going to get my pick down in there, all the way to the bottom, and you give a little tension and you pick each one. See how quick I went? Anyway, I will show you step by step how, by using the clear ones, to show you exactly how it's done in a later video. I wanted to show you, you can get these basic tool sets off eBay. Some are not as strong as others. You do pay for what you get. If something's cheap, it probably is. These were really cheap. They break easy. But these were a little more sturdy. And they all came with practice locks. Anyway, thank you for watching Alley Cat's Corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.